Hi, welcome to DHS. This is our project 15. It's an infrared control LED matrix. See here, we are using one 7-segment display and 8 220 ohm resistor and one IR diode and also an IR remote. Infrared control LED matrix means by the using of this IR remote we can control this 7-segment display. See here, as per the circuit diagram, I have made the connection. See, this thing says this 7-segment display and 8 220 ohm resistor I have connected, one IR receiver, and this is Arduino board, and this is the IR remote. Now first we have to check this program. See here, see, this is the program for this project. Here, this part you can see here integer number 10, 8 and this matrix is for 0. See, 0 means all the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 9 we can display. See, 0 means off and 1 means on. In 7-segment display there are 7 LEDs. By switching on and switching off these LEDs we can display the numbers. This is the matrix. Now first we have to check this program is correct or not. See, this program is correct. Now we have to upload. See, I am uploading to the board. The program is uploaded. Now I will show you how this works. See, when I am pressing 0, see here, when I am pressing this 0, it becomes 0. Now I am pressing 1. See, 1. Now 2. Then 3. Now 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 7. Then 8. Then 9. 0. This is how this 7-segment display works by using a IR remote. Thank you.